What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Midlife Vibes. We are here back in Vegas and we are staying at the Park MGM today for the very first time ever. Now, those of you who have been around a little while might know this was the Monte Carlo, and before that I think it was something dunes and it was at a golf course and all sorts of stuff, but that was a long time ago. Now, something I think is pretty cool about this is the first casino on the Strip that is no smoking. You cannot smoke in the casino. You can't smoke in the rooms. I don't think you can smoke in the restaurants either, but you can go outside and smoke. You guys, I'm digging this room. This room looks pretty clean. It's a little small, but you know what? I got it comped. And I think the regular price was $59.95. Now that's for a Sunday night leaving on a Monday. Obviously, there are resort fees. Those resort fees are $39, and you have to pay $15 for parking. Now, this is going to be one of 3 hotels that I am staying at on this trip to Las Vegas. So I need you guys to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, so that way you'll be notified and you'll be able to see the other hotels that I'm staying at here. This is going to be probably the nicest of the 3. I'm going to go from this one, which is normally, like I said, $59 on this Sunday night, and then I'm gonna hop over to another strip casino, and then I'm gonna head over to downtown Las Vegas. And before I show you around the property here, I want to show you around the room a little bit. As you can see, I got the 2 queen bed room. It's a standard room. You got the 2 queen beds here. You also got some night lights right there. They got a cool wall with the pictures on it. I'm digging that wall. And like I said, it's very clean. It's very minimalistic, I think, which I enjoy. I don't want too much stuff that's gonna collect dust here, but I love the green and blue. I guess it's kind of a blue couch. You got this chair and table, standard, like a pretty big TV, 42-inch TV. You also have some complimentary. Do not think these snacks are complimentary. If you remove these snacks and they're gone for more than 60 seconds, that's what it says on the sign, you're paying for them. And I guarantee you a little bag of those nuts is probably like 20 bucks or something ridiculous like that. I do love the full mirror that it has here. It's got some cool light fixtures around this room. And then I also love the bathroom. The bathroom is so clean. So when you get into the bathroom, you got this great lighted mirror, big giant mirror. And then I love the sink, nice big countertop, so if you need to put your makeup on or anything like that. You also have a great looking toilet, very clean, that's most important to me. And then the shower is a stand-up shower, no bathtub here, which I don't mind in a casino hotel, because you never know what's going on in the old bathtub. So give me a shower all day long. The one drawback, and I'm finding this in more and more of the casinos, is this barn door style closet / bathroom door. It's a combo. So if you're staying with multiple people in the room, it could be a little dangerous. That door could hit somebody if they don't know you're there. And there's no lock, so it's not a lot of privacy on that door. But the closet is nice, it's quaint. One thing, it does have a safe in here, but my safe is broken. I also have to say that the view is not bad here. I have a view of the backside of the New York. I can see the roller coaster going up and down, people screaming for their lives. Also, right down below, there's like this little, I don't know if you call it a promenade area. They got probably some restaurants. I saw a food truck out there, a bar, and right next to that you have the T-Mobile Arena. So if you're gonna go see anything at the T-Mobile Arena, this hotel is ideal. It's a little more towards the south end of the Strip. Like I said, it's by the New York, which across from that is the Excalibur, the Luxor, across the street, MGM Grand. What's next to MGM Grand? Planet Hollywood, I think it is. So a little bit down south end, but it's right next to City Center where you have Cosmopolitan and all those hotels, Aria and stuff. So location, not too bad.
It sound right, boy.
When you first come into Park MGM, you walk right into Eataly. Eataly just has all sorts of foods, chocolates, wines, drinks, everything from around Italy. thinking I might stop and have a bite to eat. I think I'll have my dinner here at Eataly. There's so many places to eat. There's like some cluck place. Roy Choi has a place here. There's a cool round bar in the middle of this place. But Eataly is where it's at. So for dinner, I am eating at Eataly tonight, and I am excited. I got this pasta meat sauce. I don't even remember the name of it, but it was like 28 bucks. It was kind of expensive, so hoping it's delicious because it looks kind of small, but you know, I'm here at the MGM Grand, and Eataly is like kind of like the thing, so I went ahead and did it. Here we go. It smells delicious. It looks delicious. The question is it delicious? Oh yeah. The pasta has this al dente type, it's got a little bit of snap to it. I'm digging on that right now. Yeah, that's good. Sorry, Olive Garden. You suck. After I got done eating at Eataly, I went and I gambled a little bit. I won some money, I lost some money. In the end, I lost some money. I totally forgot to show you guys around the hotel. So today, this morning, before I check out, I'm gonna go show you the casino and show you what the hotel has to offer. And I need to get Starbucks and some breakfast real quick because I am famished. Now when you first come in here, they have this really cool lobby. Look at this tree lamp or this tree art. I don't know what it is, but it's really cool. Very easy to check in. They have mobile check-in, they have self-check-in. Now they do have a pool here, but it's not pool season right now, so I guess we're not going swimming, and it's kind of cold. And if you fancy going to the Bellagio, they do have a tram that does take you over to the Bellagio. But I came here for one thing, and that is Starbucks, and I think a lot of people had the same idea as I did. Got my usual iced caramel macchiato. Also got my egg and cheddar sandwich. When you first come into the casino, it is a very long and narrow casino. Now, one thing I do like about this casino, there are a lot of table games scattered from the front to the back, which I like playing table games. Becky likes playing the slots, and there are a lot of slot machines here, new and old. So there's a good mix of new slot machines, and if you like the classics, then you can find those here too. They also have these great machines for blackjack, roulette, and craps, so if you're not comfortable playing on the big tables, you can sit down and individually play and kind of learn the games until you come over here to these big guys. The sports book is off to the right, and it looks pretty fancy. It has a nice bar, so I think you can get some food, and they got a lot of monitors in there. So there was a line last night to get in there. They do have this really cool round bar in the middle of their place, which I really enjoy a lot. It was packed last night. There was a line, but do me a favor. Sit down, try to play a game because the drinks are not cheap. They have a hotel within a hotel. This is Nomad Las Vegas. It's on the top floors. It's a higher end hotel. And you also have your own place to play games. You got the Nomad Casino right here. So I guess you have to be staying at the Nomad to gamble in there. Probably higher limit. And then for any hotel casino, make sure you sign up for the rewards card. Like I said last night, I got my hotel room comped by the casino. So you're here to gamble, you're here to have fun, you're here to play, you might as well get some rewards for it. They have the Dolby Live Theater here, which will have different musical guests. I think they've had Lady Gaga here before, Bruno Mars, and different guests. I don't know who's performing right now. I don't think anybody. They do have a shop that has all sorts of different Lady Gaga outfits in it, or I guess a museum, but it's closed right now. Just one of the crazy outfits she wore. So it has all sorts of crazy stuff in there, but I guess there are some things you can buy. But obviously you can't buy certain things like her different headpieces and what is that, a phone on her head? Besides Eataly, they have a lot of different food options. They have La La Noodle, which is closed right now. Pretty packed last night. It is early morning, so I'm assuming it'll be opening up a little bit later. I think I want to try this with Becky. I didn't eat here because I know Becky would be mad, but I ate here without her. This place was also popping last night. This is the Roy Choi place. I think there's like a secret back room and there's all sorts of food here. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong on that back room stuff, but I hear it has really good food and drinks in there, so one day we're gonna come back and try it out. Best friends. There's no shortage of bars here. Mama Rabbit Bar is a pretty cool one. They have a lot of different bars. They have another one called, I think, Juniper, but very nice. Look at this place. Look at this artwork. I'm just loving it. I'm assuming this is some sort of club here on the record. They got some Silk Sonic after party. So Ken Conrad is in the main room. I don't know who those people are, but I'm sure at some point in time the club opens up. It looks like it goes upstairs. I have no idea what it looks like inside, but if you're here to party and this is open, it might be the place to be. Tucked away down this hallway by the restrooms is Side Betty's Grill, which is more like a casual dining experience. Right in the middle is Juniper Cocktail Lounge. It is closed off right now, but it will open up later tonight. It looks like a place to get a nice cocktail in there. And their steakhouse is Bavetti's? I think that's how you pronounce it. Haven't tried it out, haven't seen anything on it, but if you like steak, I'm sure it's good. Let me give you my final thoughts here on the Park MGM Grand. I liked it. I liked it a lot, actually. I like the smoke-free environment, even though smoke doesn't necessarily bother me as much, but sometimes it can get a little irritating. The price is right. I think for what you get here, it's a great deal. I mean, 59 bucks was the same price as Excalibur or Luxor, or even maybe cheaper than those hotels. And I think this one's much nicer. The rooms are great. The casino floor is great. Tons of eating places to eat here. You got New York right next door, which has some great food options too. I mean, it's a good location, and you just can't beat the value. So I would definitely stay here again. I enjoyed it. I give it 2 thumbs up for sure. Let me know in the comments down below. Have you stayed at the Park MGM? Do you like it? And guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that way you get notified of the next video I do, because I'm going from here to another casino on the Strip.